It's okay, sweetie. I'm here.
Thank you.
Come here for a hug.
I love you. Oh, my uniform.
It's okay, Lily. It's just a little mark.
Okay, Mommy.
It's okay to feel nervous, Lily. You look wonderful.
Thanks, Mommy. I'm just a little shy. 1, 2, 3.
Wonderful counting, Lily.
And 1 pencil box.
That's right. You're so clever. Great job.
I'm ready.
We can see that, sweetie.
That's the spirit. Let's go.
It's okay, sweetie. We're right here with you.
Okay, I feel better now.
That's the spirit.
You're doing wonderfully, Lily.
Thank you.
Keep up the great work. Hello, Lily. It's so good to see you.
Hello.
Welcome to our class. Goodbye, Lily. We love you.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
See you soon, champ.
I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to our class.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Lily, please walk over to that side of the room.
Okay, teacher.
That's it, just like that. Lily, are you okay?
I dropped it.
Let me help. Class, this is Lily. Please make her feel welcome.
Hi, everyone.
That's it, Lily, just like that.
Oh, I see now. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. I'm so proud.
Yay, this is so much fun.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, Lily.
Can we play a game?
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher. Bye. Mom! Dad!
There's our girl.
We missed you so much.
I missed you too.